Hi Professor, this is the demo video from Group 3 of Section 2, and today I'm going to be presenting you our project, Chatbot using OpenAI. So first of all, let me introduce you what an OpenAI Chatbot is. It's an API that we get from internet, from the website of OpenAI, and it's powered by GPT/3 and Codex. It provides a natural language task where we can interact with an artificial intelligence, and it has free content filtering. A lot of applications nowadays use it. Naming, we can see GitHub, IBM, Twitter, Disney, Intel. It's pretty popular nowadays. And now I want to present you the functional requirements that we introduced in our project. These are to create a chatbot powered by GPT-3 engine to conduct conversation with human through written language. In this case, it's going to be English. However, it also works with other languages such as Spanish or Portuguese. We also want to deliver a current and smooth flowing conversation with an artificial intelligence, and we want to implement requirements using Python programming language, the one we're learning in this course, UI software devices. So to start implementing the functional requirements, there are different steps in order to build this app. It's simple and at the same time complex because it doesn't require a lot of lines of code, but it requires some knowledge. So first we install the OpenAI library using pip install OpenAI and having Python. Then we're using VS Code. Once in VS Code, we can import OpenAI telling the code that we're using this API. We initialize the greeting message, as you can see here, and then we print the conversation when we just launch the app. This line is for adding the API key. I can show you here. There are more steps. We are going to do the while loop in order to keep going with the conversation with the artificial intelligence. Then we can get the answer from the API and we add it to our conversation, and then we just finally print it in order to the user to see what the AI is answering. This is an example of conversation between the human and the AI. I can show you here. We implemented the code. It has all you're asking for with the comments and everything very well documented, and we get the answer.json where we get the answer from response.choices in the rate 0. As you can see here, we get the choices. I can show you here very quickly. Python chatbot.py, I can run it, and it's going to print a human, hello, how are you? And the AI is going to respond, hi, I am an AI created by OpenAI, how can I help you today? Here we can type anything. For example, I want to order a pizza, and it's going to answer. Oh, sorry. Let's specify it again. Let's say another thing. Sometimes it does have some errors because it's not well trained yet. For example, it randomly got the weather from San Francisco, and it says it's partially sunny with a temperature of 22 degrees. But we can say, how is the weather in Toronto now? And it says the weather in Toronto is partially sunny with a temperature of 18 degrees. Let's ask the artificial intelligence the same question to see if it works now. It does the same. I don't know. It was working before, but now it's just uh, repeatedly shows the same answer. So this is how I can show you the demo video, and this is how we implement it. We got this from OpenAI page. I can show you where we got it from. We go to openai.com. We go to the API. We can log in. One second. And here it is, the introduction to the question answering. We got the all information from here, and we get the examples. We implemented the chat. We open it in Playground, and we can view the code. We implemented the engine DaVinci, and this is the prompt. We changed it to the conversation, and the temperature, max tokens, frequency penalty, presence penalty, and stop. We can change it here. And that's all we want to show you now. This is group 3 again, and this is our project OpenAI Chatbot. Thanks for watching, Professor.